Hello viewers, welcome back to Renka Kitchen. In today's video, we'll be cooking roasted yam with Ugba sauce. Stay tuned and watch how I make this delicious meal. Here are the ingredients needed for this delicious sauce that you can use and eat roasted yam. Roasted yam is one of the Nigerian most popular street foods. It is prepared with a white yam with a brown baked after it must have been baked. Peel and cut the yam into 1-inch pieces. I'll be making use of olive oil here. This method is to avoid the yam from sticking on the pan when you want to turn the yam for the other side of it to bake. It will also help the yam to be crispy. It is very important to add some salt at this stage in order for it to distribute when it is being toasted. Yes, the yam is ready to be put inside the oven and allow it to roast. For those people who are outside Nigeria, they will be making use of dry Ugba because to get a fresh one is not easy. Therefore, you have to cook the Ugba to soften before using it for the sauce. Kindly skip this method if you are using fresh Ugba, which is also known as ukpaka. Sieve the cooked Ugba to remove the excess water. Turn the yam pieces to roast the underside too till they are all over light brown. They are done when the inside of the yam are moist and well done. Add the palm oil into a preheated pot and immediately add your onions. Yes, you have to add your onions immediately in order to avoid the oil from bleaching. You must have added the onions. Add the crayfish immediately and then add the utazi. We are making use of dry utazi here because we could not lay hands on fresh one. I would also like to tell you that this utazi is a little bit bitter for those of us that doesn't know how it tastes. So if you don't really like things that are bitter, you can skip this utazi and go ahead with other ingredients. Right now, we'll be adding the Ugba. This is the main ingredient to this roasted yam. Add any spice of your choice and frequently taste it to know if it has gotten to how you want it to taste. Here we'll be adding other ingredients like curry, paprika and onion powder for taste. Feel free to add any ingredients of your choice. I'll also be adding calabash nutmeg in order to give it a native taste. This calabash nutmeg is also known as ehuru. Turn off the heat after 2 minutes and it is ready. Thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe.